Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this Snackle box. I have not seen such a cool Snackle box because, first of all, it comes like in a little carrying case. So it is ready to go, whether you're going out on the boat, going to a picnic, or going to a party. You've got it all, in a water-resistant exterior to help keep all of this cool. So you've got your handle, double zippers to open this little baddie up. You've got pocket up here at the top. If you wanted to store some extra little goodies, you can do that. You can see the insulation on here. Set beautifully done. You've got your instructions. So there is your actual container in here. Let's set that off to the side here and see all of this. So you've got your Snackle box. On the bottom, you see all four of these actually come off from underneath. So you pull off the lid to reveal your Snackle box, kind of like a little tackle box. It is adjustable, so if you wanted to move this around, have 1 piece, 2 piece, take out these little things, you've got lots of versatility in here. And right in the center here, you have these little bitty forks. Look at these little tiny guys. Perfect for your little snacks to be able to grab out these forks. And there are 6 little forks. These are adorable. So that's really nice. So you have enough to be able to share. And you've got a nice little stainless steel cup with a lid if you have sauces for your different snacks. So, you got some vegetables here, put some ranch dressing in here, and you are ready to go. It's a nice size with a little silicone lid to go on there. But that's not all. When you lift this thing out, this actually has an ice pack in it. So it will help keep everything cold. Of course, you will have to freeze this first, but then you stick that in there, put your Snackle box on here, and then you can begin to add in whatever vegetables or fruits or anything else you want to put into your snack box to have it out for a little picnic and share with everybody. And that way you don't have to have everything touching. You can have different containers for different kids if you want to do that. And use your little forks, stab your food, be able to get it, not have to share with anybody else. Put your little lid on and take it with you. I've seen a lot of people actually use these on airplanes, so that way you've got your own little thing here. Carry it with you, keep it cold. This is a beautiful case that you can have for any occasion.